What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making one of my favorite foods, soft pretzels, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking some warm water and yeast and mixing that together and letting it sit for about 5 minutes. While you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350, and then after that's sat, we're going to add in our brown sugar and our butter, and we're just going to stir it until it's combined. After that, we're going to add in flour 1 cup at a time, mixing it until we get our dough like this. If it's sticky at all, just keep adding flour until it's not sticky anymore. Then we're going to knead it, roll it out so we get a nice little ball, nice and smooth, and we're going to cover it for 5 minutes. While it's covered, we're going to start boiling our water. So boil your water with baking soda, and once it's boiled, or while it's boiling, after your dough has risen for about 10 minutes, we're going to form them into our pretzels. So you're just going to roll it out and then form your pretzels. You can form your pretzels however you want. I did it like this. There's an easier way where you could just like twist it and fold it back. I did not do that. So after it's been folded, we're going to put it in the water, and you're only going to let it go for about 20 minutes and let all the water drip off. Once you've done that, we're going to put it onto a baking sheet that has parchment paper that's got butter on it. And then we're going to put our pepperoni and our jalapeños on there and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350. And that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. I paired this with nacho cheese and it was delicious, but bon appetit, y'all.